Hello students, now welcome to next lecture 1.3. Today in this lecture we are going to solve examples. First main, find the unit vector normal to the following surfaces at the indicated points. They asked you to find a unit vector normal. So given surface, first one, x square y plus 2xz is equal to 4 at 2, minus 2, 3. So you are given with the equation of the surfaces at the indicated points. So solution, let this be phi. So phi is equal to x square y plus 2xz be the surface. Now delta phi is what now? Del phi. Del phi is a vector normal to the surface. So what is del phi now? So we have del phi as it is dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. This is our del phi. So del phi is equal to dou by dou x of phi. What is phi? X square y plus 2xz into I plus dou by dou y of phi x square y by 2xz into j plus dou by dou z of x square y plus 2xz into k. So now what is this? So dou by dou x of this equation means we have to differentiate partially this with respect to x. So here y x as a constant, z x as a constant. So differentiation of x square y with respect to x is 2xy plus here it is 2z into I plus differentiation with respect to y now. X and z acts as a constants. So x square as it is, differentiation of y is 1. So it is only x square. Here we don't have any x, y. That's why it is directly you can write x square into j plus again z. First part we don't have any z now. So it is 2xz. So you can write it as 2xk. So it is. Now this vector surface, vector normal surface indicated at the points are given. That's why del phi, that is magnitude or del phi at the points 2, minus 2 and 3 is given by x is 2, y is minus 2, z is 3. So wherever you have x, y, z, put 2, minus 2 and 3. So in the first equation it is 2 into x is 2, y is minus 2 into I plus 2 into z, z is 3 into I plus x square 2 square into j plus 2 into 2 into k. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. So into minus 2 we have minus 8i plus 6i plus 2 square. So it is 4j plus 4k, or else minus 8 plus 6. So minus 2i plus 4j plus 4k. or else we may write it as, take 2 common, so it is minus I plus 2j plus 2k. Then they asked you to find unit vector normal. Del phi is what? Only vector normal. So unit vector normal is what? N cap is equal to del phi by magnitude of del phi. So thus the required unit vector normal is given by n cap is equal to del phi whole divided by magnitude of del phi. So that is equal to, what is del phi? 2 into minus I plus 2j plus 2k whole divided by magnitude of del phi. Magnitude of del phi is what? Square root of 2 square into coefficient of minus I. It is 1 square, so 1 plus this 2 square, so 2 square. This one 2 square 4 and this is 4. So it is minus I plus 2j plus 2k. So it is 2 into minus I plus 2j plus 2k. So square root of 2 square is again 2. Take it out. And 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So this 2 will get cancelled. Therefore you may write n cap as n cap, that is a unit vector normal, is minus I plus 2j plus 2k whole divided by 3. This is how to find the unit vector normal of a given surface at the indicated points. Next example, xy cube z square is equal to 4 at minus 1, minus 1, 2. Again we need to find a unit vector normal. So let phi be x y cube z square. Then delta phi, that is a del phi, is a vector normal. To the surface. Now first write down what do you mean by del phi. So del phi is dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. Once you come to know how to differentiate partially given equations, directly instead of writing dou phi by dou x into phi every time, you can directly write the value by seeing this. So now here dou phi by dou x of this equation is what? Since it is only one term here, x y cube into z square. So when you differentiate this partial with respect to x only we have x, so it is 1. So you left out with y cube into z square. So in place of dou f by dou x, directly write y cube z square into I plus dou phi by dou y. So x and z square will be constant. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square. So it is 3x y square z square into j plus dou phi by dou z. Again differentiation of z square is 2z. These two are constant. So 2x y cube into z into k. Yes. Now del phi at given points. Points are minus 1, minus 1, 2. At this point substitute the values here. So y cube. Y is minus 1. So minus z square will be 2 square into I plus 3 times x is minus 1, y square is minus 1 square, z square is 2 square into j plus 2 times x is minus 1, y cube is minus 1 square, minus 1 cube, z is 2 into k. So now it is minus 4i and here minus 1 plus 1 4 into 3. So it is minus 12j and here minus 1 cube. So minus 1 plus 1 2 2 4. So plus 4k. Again we may take minus 4 common. So minus 4 common. So it is I plus j minus k. Since we require unit vector normal, thus required unit vector normal n cap is del phi divided by modulus of del phi. So then n cap is equal to, what is del phi? Del phi at these points is minus 4 into I plus j minus k. So it is minus 4 into I plus j minus k whole divided by its magnitude. So its magnitude is square root of 4 square into 1 square 1, 1 square 1, minus 1 square, again it is 1. Oh sorry, here it will be 3j. We have 12j, so it is 3j, so it is 9. So it is minus 4 I plus 3j minus k whole divided by 4 into square root of 11. Therefore, unit vector normal to the surface is minus I plus 3j minus k whole divided by square root of 11 is the required unit vector for the given surface with respect to given points. Next, find the directional derivatives of the following. Given is first one 5 x square yz plus 4x square xz square at 1 minus 2 1 along 2i minus j minus 2k. So along this vector we need to find the directional derivative of the given scalar. So solution, what is given? 5 is equal to x square yz plus 4x z square. So what is the directional derivative actually? Directional derivative formula is del phi into dot product n cap actually. So for that what we need? We need to find separately del phi and then n cap both, then dot product. Yes. So for that, so first we write del phi. Write on the formula first. It is dou phi by dou x into I, dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. Keep the habit of writing the formulas at every problem you solve, so that it will be, you will be get perfect and you will come to know how to substitute the functions. So now as I told you, dou phi by dou x. So when you differentiate this partial with respect to x, this function dou phi by dou x. So in this term x square, differentiation of x square is 2x yz as it is. So 2x yz plus 4x z square. So differentiation of x is 1, only we left with 4z square. So 4z square into I plus. Now differentiate partially with respect to y now. So here we have y. So it is 1. So x square z. Now in this second term we don't have any y. That's why it ends here. So it is j plus differentiation with respect to z now. So here z, we have z, it is 1. So x square y, again 4x, differentiation of z square is 2z. So it will be 2 into 4, 8 plus 8xz into k. Now you are going with the points. That's why del phi at 1 minus 2 minus 1. It is, substitute the points. So it is 2, x is 1, y is minus 2, z is minus 1 plus 4 z square will be minus 1 whole square. Yes. So this is into I plus x square is 1, z is minus 1 into j plus here x square is 1 into y minus 2 plus 8 x is 1 into z is minus 1 into k. So when you simplify, just see here 1 into minus 2 into minus 2 1. So plus 2, 2 into 2 4 plus minus 1 square will be plus 1. So 4 plus 4 8. So it is 8i. Plus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 j. And here minus 2 plus 8 into 1 minus 1 minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8. So minus 10 k. This is del phi at given points. Now the unit vector normal, the unit vector, first we need to find unit vector. So in the direction of two I minus j minus 2k is n cap is equal to 2i minus j minus 2k whole divided by its magnitude. So it is 4 2 square plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1 minus 2 whole square is again 4. So it is 2i minus j minus 2k whole divided by 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. So it will be 3. Now we got del phi and then we got n cap. So therefore the required directional derivative is del phi dot n cap. So it is, what is del phi? 8i minus j minus 10k dot n cap is 2i minus j minus 2k whole divided by 3. So thus del phi dot n cap is equal to dot product. So 8 into 2. 8 into 2 plus coefficient of j is minus 1. Here also minus 1 plus coefficient of k minus 10 into minus 2 whole divided by 3. So this is equal to 8 into 2 16 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1. So it is 1 minus 10 into minus 2 plus 20 whole divided by 3. So it will be 36 plus 1 37. 37 by 3. What is this? this is a directional derivative of given function, scalar function with respect to given vector. So next one, phi is equal to xz divided by x square plus y square at 1 minus 1 1 in the direction of vector A is equal to I minus 2j plus k. As I told you, in the same manner you need to find the directional derivative of the given function. For that we need to find del phi and n cap, then dot product. So given phi is equal to xz divided by x square plus y square. Then what is del phi? Del phi is dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. So now differentiate partially with respect to x, y, z separately and then write the terms. So first one, dou phi by dou x. So partially differentiate this. Since you have a u by v form, so you have to apply u by v rule. So dou phi by dou x here. Here since we are differentiating partially with respect to x, z is independent. So keep it as it is here. Then v x square plus y square as it is into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of this v is 2x. This one will be 0. So whole divided by denominator square x square plus y square whole square into I. This completes first one. Partial differentiation with respect to x now. Plus now with respect to y. Here in the numerator we don't have any y term. That's why differentiation here x square plus y square, this will be 0 minus xz into differentiation of this. So differentiation of y is 2y. So minus 2xyz whole divided by x square plus y square whole square into j. Plus with respect to z now, and in the denominator we don't have any z now. That's why x square into y square differentiation of this will be 1x. So x square plus y square into differentiation of z is 1. So you will left out with only x minus this one will be 0. So whole divided by x square plus y square whole square into k. Since this and this will get cancelled, therefore z into here x square plus y square minus 2x square. So minus 2x square plus x square, you will have to do minus x square. So it is y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square into I. And here minus 2xyz whole divided by x square plus y square z square into j, and plus x divided by x square plus y square into k. So now at given points, so del phi at given points 1 minus 1 1 is equal to, here when you put x y z as 1 minus 1 and 1, here it is z will be 1, here 1 minus 1 only. So this becomes 0 as minus 2x, y, z. 2, x is 1, y is minus 1, z is 1. So it will be minus 2. So this will become plus, divided by 1 plus 1, 2. 1 square plus 1 square. So 2. So 2 whole square is 4. So this 2 by 4. So plus 1 by 2j. And here plus 1, x is 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 by 2k. This is nothing but 1 by 2 common, j plus k. This is del phi. Now the unit vector normal. Along vector A. So in the direction of vector A, what is vector A? It is I minus 2j plus k is n cap is equal to I minus 2j plus k whole divided by its magnitude. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So it will be I minus 2j plus k whole divided by root 6. Now, thus the required directional derivative is what is the formula? It is del phi dot product n cap. So this is equal to del phi is 1 by 2 j 1 by 2 k dot n cap I minus 2j plus k divided by root 6. Then dot product I into 0, so 0 into I plus 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 whole divided by root 6. So this is equal to 2 will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by root 6, that is minus 1 by 2 root 6 is the required directional derivative of the given scalar along the given vector A. So in the next class we will solve some more examples. Thank you.